Niaje watu wangu, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Anonymous Team, and today I'm back to trading. So without further ado, to all my fans out there who've obviously seen me trading, I don't need much introduction. So let's just go ahead and get this thing cracking. So I'm going to ahead and select the Euro versus the USD currency, and so the euro versus the USD currency, and I've selected 2.5 minutes to be the highest time limit. I don't want to select less time. So okay, so if you look at the moving oscillators indicators here, the ones that are crossing each other, you'll see that they are they're actually, at the moment, they're facing an upward direction. Actually, it's not very clear. It's not very clear at the moment. It's either going up or down, but that's not an issue. If you've been keeping track of my YouTube channels, then you know what to do in such an instance. The reason I have these two indicators here is for them to guide you, or rather direct you, on whether to buy or sell. Okay, and to buy is to click the red button, the red button here. To sell is to click the green button if it's green. I'm colorblind, I guess. So yeah, when you want to sell, you click the green button. That means if you think that the graph is going to go up, so the blue line here is the graph, and the green lines are the green lines connecting, or interjecting against one another, are the moving oscillators. So I'm not yet going to place my trade. You need to be very careful. In the moment as this goes on, I can try to check other markets. So I can, okay, so the euro versus the USD is the only forex market still open at the moment. So the others are, oh wait, we have the GBP versus the USD. I don't like trading on commodities, so let me check the GBP versus the USD and select 5. Nowadays I select the maximum number. Initially, if you've been following me for a while, initially I used to select the minimum time. Nowadays I select the maximum time. Wow, okay, this one is also epileptic. So yeah, so if you see the market behaving in this manner, it's advisable not to trade. Let's see if we have. So my rule of thumb this year is I don't trade on commodities. I don't trade. It's very rare I trade on stocks. I don't trade on stocks, and I don't trade on commodities. I only trade on currencies. And yeah, I don't trade on crypto also. I don't trade on cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are very volatile, so it's advisable not to trade on that. So let me select let me select the USD versus the Canadian market. Let me check. Okay, so the moving oscillators are moving upwards, but we need to wait for them to interject, to cross each other, that is. Once they cross each other, then we give them a few more minutes or seconds, and then we can place our trades. But as you can see, the market is also not very stable at the moment, so I'm not going to place any trade on this. Remember guys, trading is very volatile. Of course it has high returns, but it's very volatile. So you need to make sure that you, that you practice for at least a year. Initially I used to tell people to practice for like 3 months. Yes, if you're doing it 3 months daily, You can, after 3 months, you can place in or rather deposit like $10 and try out your luck. And when you place in like $10, you can be trading with a dollar every day. And you also need to have a stop loss. If you've deposited, let's say $10, you can have a stop loss of $7. That means if you trade in $1 and you make profit, you go ahead and trade. You can then trade again with another dollar. Yeah, so definitely it closed itself out because I haven't placed a trade. So yeah, like I was saying, if you've deposited like $10, trade with like a dollar a day. If you make a profit from that dollar, trade with another dollar. If you make a loss, make sure that your loss does not go beyond $7. When I say beyond $7, I say if you place in like $1 and you lose, place another dollar, lose, and place another dollar, then lose. Then you're back to having you're back to having you're back to having, what do you call it, $7. So of course it doesn't make sense to try to trade anymore. That will just be you making stupid decisions. Okay, so that's how to do it, guys. And after 3 months, after trying it out, then if you're doing great, then you can increase your deposits and so forth and so on. This market, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen market is also unstable. So I'm going to try the euro versus the Japanese yen market. Very unstable as well. Wow, all the markets currently are very unstable. So let's try the US dollar index. Let's see if it's stable as well. Very unstable. Then let's try, what else? The euro versus the CHF. Let's see. It's unstable as well. Then next we try the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Let's see how it is. Quite unstable as well. You know, by this time, guys, I'm pretty good at reading the market, so I know when to trade and when not to trade. Remember, do it as practice. Okay, you see, in this particular market, the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen market, the two moving oscillators have crossed each other. And as you can see, they've been expanding and expanding and expanding. So let's say like, at what time was this? Let's say about a few hours ago, if I'd come here and placed a trade, I would have probably sold because it's going up. Yeah, so I'm going to try to place a trade because the graph is going up, so I'm going to sell. Hopefully, oh, okay, it doesn't mean I need to only place $10. So as you can see, it's going up. So hopefully, I make a profit. I think I'm the most genuine trader here in Africa because I usually don't lie to my fans. When I lose, I tell my fans I've lost. When I win, and I do win, or rather, when I make profits, and I do make profits regularly, I tell my fans I've made profits. So I don't sugarcoat anything. And you'll never find that with most of these traders you guys watch online. Now, as things are going, I am actually losing. Yeah, I'm actually losing profits. Or rather, I'm actually making losses, but we still have 2 minutes and 44 seconds to go. So let's still give it time. That's why I like to place in a higher time limit. Because with a higher time limit, it gives you ample time to make profit or make losses if it comes to that. But yeah, let's watch how it goes. the whole market is quite unstable at the moment, but at the time I was placing this trade, it was looking pretty nice. So if I lose, I'm not going to place another trade. I'm just going to close the day. And that's the key. That's what I want you guys to learn. If you lose, please don't go ahead making terrible and stupid decisions, foolish decisions. No, gotta be wise, man. So here we go. Yeah, this thing doesn't look like it's going to favor me. We only have a minute and 40 seconds to go. So, but hey, at the end of the day, it's still trading. It's still a forex market. At a second, it can shoot up like way up. As you can see, it started going up. You see, like like it started going up. So let's see. I might still have a chance. I don't count myself out. Yes, sir. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe also. Please don't just watch the videos. I saw some of you posting negative comments saying that I'm doing promotional videos for expert option. Not in any way. Expert options have not, or rather, expert option have not paid me in any way to market for them. But I do have an affiliate account with expert options. So you see, like right now, it's crossed the market right there, and we still have like, or rather, we have like 45 seconds still to go. So let me just move this way. You see, so chances here, at the moment I'm winning, so or rather I'm making a profit. So let's see if it stays like that. And yeah, like I was saying, some of you posting negative comments on my comment section saying that I'm doing promotional content for expert option. You could never be further from the truth. I do have an expert option affiliate account though, and I do post it on my oh man, and I was just doing so good, and here it messes me up. But it's okay, guys. I hope you learn from this. Oh no, wait, I'm winning. I'm winning. I've won. I've made profits. There you go, guys. If they ask you, tell them the name is Anonymous Team, man. And I don't make losses. I have a $17 profit from $10. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? So 3 more seconds to go. Holla at your boy, guys. Holla at your boy. There it is. There it is on your screen. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And follow my tips. You can never go wrong with my tips, people. You can never go wrong with my tips. So the trade results is right there on your screen. Yeah. So back to what I was saying. As I was saying, to some of those people saying that I'm making promotional content for expert option. Expert option have not paid me in any way whatsoever. However, I do have an affiliate account with expert option. So if you want to create an expert option account, make sure you do it through the, or rather, if you want to try free trading, there's a link for free trading, and there's also a link for the other one for trying to create a real account with expert option. So in that case, if you want to go ahead and do that, follow the links that I've posted on the description section below, and yeah, you'll get a bonus. So thank you everyone for watching my video. Make sure you like. My internet is kind of a bit slow, but it's okay. You all saw it, and you all saw it. You also I made a $17 profit. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.